Magnesium is a crucial mineral responsible for over 300 enzyme reactions in the body. It plays a key role in maintaining normal heart rhythms, promoting good sleep, and helping muscles and nerves relax. However, due to factors like stress, poor diet, excessive sugar, caffeine, and alcohol consumption, our magnesium levels can easily become depleted. When this happens, it can lead to various discomforts such as fatigue, muscle cramps, anxiety, and even long-term health issues if left untreated. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and most effective ways to restore your magnesium levels so you can start feeling your best again. But before we move on to the solutions, it's important to know whether you're actually low in magnesium. Here are some common signs to look out for. One of the most noticeable signs of magnesium deficiency is muscle cramps and spasms. Magnesium helps muscles relax, so when levels are low, you may experience frequent cramps, twitching, or even restless legs, especially at night. Another common symptom is fatigue and weakness. Since magnesium plays a crucial role in energy production, a deficiency can leave you feeling constantly tired, sluggish, or weak, even after a full night's sleep. Magnesium deficiency can also affect your mood, leading to increased anxiety and irritability. Since magnesium helps regulate stress hormones, low levels can make you feel more anxious, overwhelmed, or even depressed. Sleep disturbances are another big red flag. Low magnesium can cause insomnia or poor quality sleep, making it harder to fall or stay asleep. Lastly, magnesium plays a vital role in heart health, and a deficiency can contribute to irregular heartbeats or palpitations. You might notice your heart skipping beats or racing unexpectedly. Another concerning symptom is frequent headaches or migraines, as magnesium helps relax blood vessels and prevent tension headaches. If you experience any of these symptoms regularly, you may be low on magnesium. Now, let's dive into the best ways to replenish your levels quickly and effectively. To make it simple, I've grouped the treatment methods into 3 main categories. Each of the methods works differently, and combining them can help restore your magnesium levels even faster. So, let's get started. The best way to restore magnesium naturally is through your diet. Magnesium-rich foods are not only effective, but also provide other essential nutrients that support overall health. Some of the best sources include leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which are packed with magnesium and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, are another excellent source. Just a small handful of these can provide a significant amount of your daily magnesium needs. Additionally, legumes like black beans, chickpeas, and lentils offer a great combination of magnesium, protein, and fiber, making them a healthy and filling option. Another fantastic source of magnesium is whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their magnesium content and also provide fiber, which aids digestion. Avocados and bananas are 2 fruits that are particularly high in magnesium, making them a great addition to smoothies or snacks. Dark chocolate at least 70 to 85% cocoa, also a delicious way to increase your intake, as it contains a surprising amount of magnesium while providing antioxidants that benefit heart health. To get the most magnesium from your diet, try to eat these foods in their most natural state. Soaking nuts, seeds, and legumes before eating can help reduce compounds that block magnesium absorption. Cooking methods also matter. Light steaming instead of boiling helps retain more magnesium in vegetables. By consistently including these foods in your diet, you can boost your magnesium levels naturally while enjoying a variety of health benefits. 2. Magnesium supplements. While dietary sources are the best way to get magnesium naturally, supplements can be a fast and effective way to correct a deficiency, especially if your levels are very low. However, not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Some forms are better absorbed by the body than others. Magnesium glycinate is one of the best options, as it is easily absorbed and gentle on the stomach. It's especially helpful for reducing anxiety, improving sleep, and relaxing muscles. Magnesium citrate is another highly absorbable form that also helps with digestion and relieving constipation. If you're looking for an energy boost and muscle recovery support, magnesium malate is a great choice. It's important to choose the right dosage when taking magnesium supplements. The recommended daily intake varies, but in general, 300 to 400 milligrams per day is a safe amount for most adults. However, taking too much magnesium at once can lead to digestive issues like diarrhea, especially with forms like magnesium citrate. To avoid this, start with a lower dose and gradually increase it based on how your body responds. Taking magnesium with food can also improve absorption and reduce the risk of stomach discomfort. Not all magnesium supplements are effective. Some, like magnesium oxide, have poor absorption rates and don't provide as many benefits. When choosing a supplement, look for high-quality forms and avoid unnecessary fillers or additives. If you have existing health conditions or take medications, consult a doctor before starting any supplement. 3. Topical magnesium. If you're looking for a fast-absorbing and direct way to boost your magnesium levels, topical magnesium is an excellent option. This method allows magnesium to be absorbed through your skin, bypassing the digestive system, which can be helpful for those with digestive issues or sensitivity to oral supplements. One of the most popular forms of topical magnesium is magnesium oil, which is a liquid form of magnesium chloride. Simply spraying magnesium oil onto your skin, especially on areas like the legs, arms, or abdomen, and massaging it in allows the magnesium to quickly enter your bloodstream. Many people find this method helpful for relieving muscle tension, cramps, and promoting relaxation. Another great topical option is Epsom salt baths. Epsom salts are made of magnesium sulfate, and soaking in a warm bath can help your body absorb magnesium through the skin while also relaxing your muscles and relieving stress. Try soaking for 15 to 20 minutes to allow your body to absorb the magnesium and experience the soothing effects. Adding some essential oils like lavender to your bath can also enhance the calming effect and help you sleep better. Topical magnesium is a great addition to your routine, especially if you're looking for immediate relief from muscle cramps, anxiety, or sleep disturbances. Just keep in mind that while it's effective, it may not be enough to fully address a magnesium deficiency on its own, so it's best to combine it with dietary sources or supplements for optimal results. Restoring your magnesium levels doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Whether you choose to boost your intake with magnesium-rich foods, opt for supplements, or use topical treatments like magnesium oil or Epsom salt baths, each method can help you feel better faster. By combining these approaches, you'll be giving your body the support it needs to function at its best, improving your sleep, reducing muscle cramps, and boosting your energy and mood. Now that you know the fastest and most effective ways to replenish magnesium, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these methods into your routine and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience with magnesium, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I wish you a great health and wealth.